to show? Is there a way to show if I have member requests? Okay. Sounds good, Robbie. I will check it. I'll give them up until 10:45 and go from there. Sounds good, Robbie. I will check it. That volume was up. Thank you, Richard. Nope, Niners were paid. So we're good there. I'll pull this down. And we're officially full, guys. So I will start promptly at 10:45. I love opening these cards, so I'll be pretty meticulous, but I am excited. What's everybody want to see tonight? Usually if you put it in the chat, they say it comes up. No, Cody, everything's sold out. All right. This is what we're looking at here. I was looking earlier, it didn't say the odds or anything on the back. It just tells you what you can get. The MVPs, and it wasn't telling me and how many packs. I don't know, I didn't read too deep into it, but beautiful cards, guys. And these pink ones are amazing. Yeah, 49ers paid out, Robbie. And the Rams didn't sell, so I was thinking of keeping them. If somebody throws me a good offer, I will sell you the Rams. I'll throw it on with you. But otherwise, I'm sold out. But I just love the Jared Goff. And Rams didn't sell. Oh, man. The Ravens sold cheap, too, bud. I don't know exactly. I don't pay that much attention to it, but... 10. I don't know. I was hoping... I paid 20 for them in drafts like this. I mean, usually... let me think about it, Robbie. Got Aaron Donald, Jared Goff. Right. I think we're pretty much ready. All right, so I will sell my Rams, the unsold Rams, for $20. If anybody wants them, $20. First person to reply on my side of the thread. But otherwise, I'm keeping them. All right, we're definitely there, guys. So, anybody have any questions before we get started? I'll wait 30 seconds just because of my little delay, but otherwise I'm going to get cracking on our 8 packs here. And it's actually a sweet deal, man. These packs, there's 15 cards in each pack. 2 of these packs is like a breaker box. So, and you get the option to get the pink ones. 3 of them. Yeah, Robbie, if you want them for 15, I'll sell them to you. All right. All right, Robbie, I'll give you a second to pay there. I have a big feeling that you're going to get some nice cards out of this. So Rams sold to Robbie. And Robbie, if you didn't reference your, however you paid for your other teams, just do that in the PayPal there. Want to make sure I send it to you. All right. Robbie sent the payment. We're ready to go. Guys, good luck. Hopefully we pull all fire in these. I will sleeve every card. Rookies. All rookies will be in top loaders too. And if you have any special requests on other stuff, but I'm telling you, I'm pretty meticulous with all of this. I don't want to be that guy to pull out scissors. Okay. First pack. 2020 Mosaic NFL. Good luck, everybody. I hope we pull heat for everybody. All right. Card on the back. I know that guy pretty well. So our first card, DJ Clark Jr. Dak Prescott for Dallas. Nice card. Marshawn Lattimore for the Saints. KJ Hamler, rookie for the Denver Broncos. Get that sleeve right up. Like I said, I will sleeve everything else just for the saving of time and all that good stuff. All right, great pull on the next one here. Whooping my Bears right now. Tom Brady. Get that one sleeved up. And the last one, Jake Fromm. Rookie for the Buffalo Bills. I live about an hour from Buffalo. So I've slowly, over the last 11 years, being a Chicagoan, moving to upstate New York, I've slowly become a fan of these lovable losers, too. All right, so nice Tom Brady. I like that. Let's get that one. Set up. I got a little wall of fame. I'm waiting on my my stands to get here, and once they do, I will. Oh shoosh. Have a better setup for my cards, but until then, they're just gonna kind of stack up at the back there. Let me just sleeve a couple of these, and I won't waste too much time. Beautiful. It's a nice card. Nice rookie. Green prism there. All right. Pack numero dos. Our first card for the Atlanta Falcons, Calvin Ridley. Nice card there. Second card, Kieran Johnson for the Detroit Lions. Nice one there. Charles Woodson. That's a Hall of Famer. for the, it still says Oakland Raiders. Another Las Vegas now. Brian Dawkins for the Eagles. Now we get into our good stuff. Hollow Barry Sanders. Detroit Lions. Who picked? Richard picked up the Lions. Cheap. Nice hit there. Our last one. Oh, that's a sharp one. I try to not touch the front of these at all because I don't like to put marks on them. They look so much better without marks. All right, first hollow. And last card of the pack, Jerome Bettis, Hall of Fame. The bus. We all love Bettis. All right, now our first pink pack of the night, guys. If anybody wants any of these things, let me know. I'll send them to you. Because I still don't even know how they work. And I don't know. My idea of buying the cards is hitting up 12 Walmarts in a day and lucky if I get 10 packs. But I love it. It's fun. All right, so for our pink parallels, our first one for the Chicago Bears, Charles Tillman. Again, everything will be sleeved. The pink ones will all be top-loaded, but I'm just going to set them, unless it's a really big hit, off to the side and display the rest. Jerome Bettis, another one for the bus right there, sharp one. And debut, Jonathan Taylor for the Colts, rookie. That's a nice card. Nice hit, Colts. That's only one pack. That's what's great about these cards, too. There. That hollow Barry Sanders is sharp. Okay, I'm just doing it this way. All right, next pack. All right, our first pack here. Aaron Jones for the Packers. Nice one there. That one's sealed right up here. Like that. Oop. Cards are thick. Give them that. All right, we're good. That's sleeved up. Next card for the Carolina Panthers, Brian Burns. Cam Chancellor for the Seattle Seahawks. Next card. And a green, Eddie George for the Tennessee Titans. Nice card. That one's at least in a sleeve for right now. And our last card for the Vikings, or no, not our last card, our next card, Randy Moss for the Vikings, Touchdown Masters. And our rookie is Jacob Eason for the Colts. Another hit there. Colts, I think, went at a good price today, too. So that is sharp. Nice. Jacob Eason, rookie for the Colts. Randy Moss. Yeah, if I seal everything up right now, you guys will be sitting here forever. Next pack. Haven't seen any of the big three that I'm calling them right now. All right, Jeff Saturday for the Colts. Odell Beckham Jr. for the Browns. Jared Cook for the Saints. Yannick Goku. I don't know. I probably screwed it up. But for the Jacksonville Jaguars there. Next card, Delvin Cook. Prism for the Vikings. It's a nice one. I like these touchdown ones. Wow, and another Jacob Eason. So, for Colts fans out there, you've got the debut and the base now in the first 2 packs. Let's do the same thing for Justin Herbert today. That's what I'm thinking. All right. These pink packs are good. If you guys can pick them up, there's lots of good hits in all of them, I'm noticing. Jacob Eason. Got him sleeved right up here. Jacob Eason on that end now, too. All right. Now our pink pack, guys. Let's get right into this. Okay, our first one. Cleveland Browns, Kareem Hunt. Nice one. Miles Sanders for the Eagles. Nice card. And our third one, James Morgan, rookie for the Jets. Anybody know if my Bears are coming back at all? I can't watch the game. My setup's weird in here. I have my TV's being used as a computer now, so I can see the chat with you guys. All right. Let's move on to pack number 3. First pack. I love my Bears. Got a bear on the back there. All right, another Baker Mayfield. Barry Sanders for the Lions. Steve Young for the 49ers. Marcus Mariota green prism. Nice hit there for Las Vegas. And the last one is Dan the Man. Touchdown Masters. Nice cards going, guys. Nice cards. All right, Marino, you're not going up on the wall right now, but I'll get you at least in a sleeve. All right, and then Hall of Famer, Ryan Urlacher. I'm going to get him right in a case here. When I was younger, that man had no hair. As he got older, he got hair. It's weird. All right, Jalen Hurts. That's who I'd like to pull a Jalen Hurts. I like Jalen Hurts. I think with this rookie class, there's going to be a lot of superstars that come out of it. Oh, man, kind of saw that there. All right, let's second pack here. Get right into it. Uh-oh, I see a good one on the back. I don't know if you guys saw it yet. We got Luke Kuechly, our first pack, our first card. Peyton Manning. Nationwide's on your side. The Gronk for the Buccaneers. Mike Evans for the Buccaneers. What a Buccaneers pack. No, there's a Green Bay here. Got Game. So that's the base version with Aaron Rodgers there. And I'm just going to show it because I got to case it right up. But boom, Justin Herbert. Mosaic rookie. Chargers. Superstar. make sure I do not touch the front, guys, and I'm as gentle as I can getting them in these cases. So, nice hit, San Diego. Nice hit. All right, we'll put that right there. Aaron Rodgers, I'm going to sleeve you in case you. Told you I oversleeve over case, but whatever. It's good for all of us. And then on to the pink pack, guys. Get this Aaron Rodgers in here. Let me set him there. Good, a lot of good cards so far. We just need to get the big ones for everybody. Jalen Hurts in this one. Let's get a Jalen Hurts. Uh-oh. I saw that guy that you see on all the covers of the packs in this one. Boom. Okay, so number 1, Mark Ingram II, Baltimore Ravens. Second one, Eddie George, pink mosaic. And for the Kansas City Chiefs, congratulations, pink Patrick Mahomes, MVPs. I love it. I'm going to get that sleeved right up for you. I don't know, for some reason, this pink and red, you wouldn't think it goes together well, but it looks beautiful on these cards. Super Bowl champ right there. All right. Get him next to Justin Herbert. All right, now we're on to pack 4. This is, after this is the halfway point after that. First pack, everybody. All right. Name I can't pronounce on the back. Leighton Vander Esch for the Dallas Cowboys. Lamar Jackson, Baltimore Ravens. We'll get him cased right up for you guys for Baltimore. Nice hit there. And then, this is like the night of Tampa Bay cards I'm noticing. All right, Lamar Jackson, get him up there now. Next card is Mike Evans. And then our green, Drew Lock for the Denver Broncos. Get that sleeved right away. Let me get them cased up. All right. Richard getting a nice one here. Flea Flicker for the Jacksonville Jaguars. Nice card. And our final one, rookie for the Baltimore Ravens, Devin Duvernay. I'm still learning about all these players, guys. I mean, I watched some of the football, but I'm pretty stuck with my Bears and now the Bills, which my Bills are doing good right now. All right. Nice card. Second pack here, guys. The first one, Dick Butkus, Hall of Famer for the Bears. Leonard Fournette for the Jaguars. We go for the Rams, Aaron Donald. Nice hit, Rams. George Kittle, San Francisco. Old School, Roger Starbuck. Prism, sharp card. Nice hit for the Dallas Cowboys. And our last card is another one for the Cowboys. We've got Troy Aikman, Hall of Fame. Get you into here. And on to the pink mosaic pack, what we're all here for. I see Darius Leonard for the Colts. Nice hit, Colts. Bobby Wagner for the Seahawks. And Jerome Bettis, the bus, again. Get these out of here. If anybody sees a card they think might not be sleeved up, or everything will be sleeved. It won't be in a top loader that you really want in one, let me know. I'll take care of it for you. Let me take a quick swig of my drink. All right. 4 packs of Mosaic. It's tough. It's a hard life. All right, guys. Okay. I think I see something really nice for the Raiders right on the back. I know I do. On the front, though, we got a Von Miller for the Denver Broncos. Marlon Mack for the Indianapolis Colts. Howie Long. Looks way different now for the L.A. Raiders, not the LV Raiders. And Tre'Davious White for the local Buffalo Bills. Get that one sealed right up for you. And the next one is an old school John Elway that I'm seeing. Sharp. Get this in front of Mariota. All right. So the old school John Elway and our rookie for the Raiders, Henry Ruggs III. Let me get that one cased up for the Raiders here. Nice hit, Raiders. So we've gotten a Herbert. We've gotten Ruggs. We know those other main two we need to get. Sharp. Oh, I gotta get it in a case. Sorry, I'm too busy staring at the cool reflection. Oh, one of my Budweiser, the king of beers. That's what I'm drinking. My brother's in the room. He just wrote on a piece of paper that I had to respond what I was drinking. But Budweiser. Figured I'd have one for the first half of the Bears game I was watching there. All right, Tyler Effort. That's not the Bengal we want, but this is the Bengal we got. We'll get one, I'm thinking. All right, next card, Tyler Murray for the Arizona Cardinals. I'm going to get that sleeved right up because I like Kyler Murray. Oh, gosh, the next one just makes me think of Campbell's soup. All right, so Kyler Murray there. And the next one, better your Campbell's Chunky. Donovan McNabb, nice card. Get that sleeved and all set up. Dan Marino, regular. I haven't seen one of these yet, so that's nice. I'll get that sleeved up for you. Next card, Ed Big Dog Reed, old school. For the Baltimore Ravens. Him. And next one's a friggin' stellar one. For the Chargers again. Right. Sharp card there. And we've got Kenneth Murray for the LA Chargers. Nice hit, Chargers. Getting about everything you'd want, except we need to get a prism. How about a prism, Justin? Still need to get that Jalen Hurts. I think we're going to get a Jalen Hurts pink right here. That should be our hope. Kenneth Murray. Nice hit there for the Chargers. Put him right next to Justin Herbert. And let's move on to our pink pack, the bonus pack. I'll try not to show you guys this one this time. Uh-oh. All right, so our first one for the Atlanta Falcons, Richard, Calvin Ridley. Nice hit. It's a great card. Second one, Juju Smith-Schuster. That's a sharp one. And our last one, I think we're going to like this one. Jerry Judy, rookie for the Denver Broncos. Look at that card. Congratulations, Broncos. Yeah, the Redskins, they shouldn't pull terrible. You wouldn't think they should, but it seems like the old school teams pull really well. Like the Steelers, the Bears, Cowboys, Lions. Nice Jerry Judy. That's beautiful. Nice hit, Denver. I will not cover up Herbert, I promise. All right, guys, we're down to 3 more. I'm going to pick the middle one first. Let's get one crazy pack here. Make everybody happy. Nothing for the Redskins yet. Well, hopefully I get you there. I hope I get you there. All right, so our first card, Drew Lock for the Denver Broncos. Get that one cased up for you. I think we already got one of those. I feel like we did. Matt Judon for the Baltimore Ravens. Nice night for the Ravens in these packs. Nick Bosa, San Francisco 49ers. And next one, our green, Cameron Jordan for the New Orleans Saints. Nice hit, Saints. Oh, the Chiefs. It's not a prism, but Chiefs get the Patrick Mahomes. Did I say that we were going to get that Philly player in this pack? Because we did. This Mahomes. I think the non-prism's a pretty sharp freaking card. Myself. Now we got a pink Mahomes. We've got a regular Mahomes. We got Justin Herbert, Kenneth Murray, Jared Judy. And boom. NFL debut, Jalen Hurts. There you go, Philly. Wouldn't let you down. Now we got to get you another Donovan McNabb. Joking. I like Donovan McNabb. We all do. All right, Jalen Hurts. That next to the Jerry Judy up here. And next pack. All right. First card. Okay, here they get quarterback packs. So I saw one on the back. I see one on the front. We got Brett Favre. We'll take care of this Brett Favre. I promise, Green Bay fans. We will take care of him. Even though I'm a Bears fan. All right, Teddy Bridgewater for the Carolina Panthers. I like that card. It looks nice. Sony Mitchell for the New England Patriots. And, Jalen Hurts scripts. What are we talking about here? Oh, my gosh. Who had the Eagles? Boom. Nice hit. Knew I had to hit something good for you guys. Well, I hit good stuff, but nice. Tell your friends. Gonna get this sleeved up into a case immediately. Jalen Hurts. Rookie autograph. It's not numbered, but it is a script. Boom. That is a sweet pull right there. Nice one. I'll show you at the end, but I've got I got an autograph out of this not long ago. All right, next card. We've got Michael Thomas got game for the Saints and Steve Young Hall of Fame right there. Okay, I need another swell. What a Jalen Hurts. Hey, you want Jalen Hurts? You call for him, you got him. I told you. All right, so our pink ones, everybody. Our first one is Kerryon Johnson for the Detroit Lions. Nice card. Get that sleeved and top loaded. Chris Goodwin for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Or Godwin, I'm sorry. And Barry Sanders Hall of Fame Prism for the Detroit Lions. Richard, you're picking those teams up at the end, or picking those teams up has paid off for you. All right, let's get the big ones now. Let's get those other big boys that we need to get, just to make everybody happy. All right, so first one, Calvin Johnson for the Lions. Thurman Thomas, Hall of Famer there for the Bills. Zach Ertz for the Eagles. Raquan Smith for the Bears. Nice prism, green prism there for the Bears. And our last card, I thought it'd be a rookie. It's not. It's a touchdown Larry Fitzgerald. Or no, there's one behind it. I'm sorry, guys. But it's Jerry Rice, which is awesome. We all love Jerry Rice, but I thought we were going to get a nice rookie there. I thought. I'm trying to not look at that last card when I open the pack. All right, Jerry Rice, Hall of Fame, Larry Fitzgerald, touchdown Masta. All right, next card. All right, first card, Will Fuller, the 5th, for the Houston Texans. Joe Mixon for the Cincinnati Bengals. Marshall Faulk for the St. Louis Rams. Nice hit, Rams. Jerry Rice for the Niners. Woo! Got game prism, Lamar Jackson. Get that sleeved up, but let's see what our last one is. Gabriel Davis, rookie for the Bills. Nice hit, Bills. And nice prism there for Baltimore. That's a nice Lamar Jackson. All right, Gabriel Davis. He's gotten some good rookies, just not. I know what we're looking for. I think it's been a great pull. I always feel like I want to get every card. This is a beautiful game. Color's sharp in there. All right, Mahomes, you're going to get covered up for right now. So I gotta keep Herbert right there. Now our pink pack, guys. Rubbing it for love. For luck for everybody. All right, it's extra sealed, so hopefully that's a good sign. Jalen Hurts rookie scripts. I like just looking at that card. Ooh, first one, Luke Kuechly for the Carolina Panthers. Rob Gronkowski for the Tampa Bay Bucks. And Devin Duvernay, rookie for the Baltimore Ravens. Nice hit, Ravens. Sorry if I pronounced the names wrong. I'm sorry. That's a sharp card for the Ravens there. And guys, we are on to our last pack. Wish everybody luck. I appreciate everybody tuning in. I am planning on getting more of these, so hopefully I get some more auctions up soon. I've got a baseball auction. It's an Allen and Ginter one tonight, but I think everything has sold out on it, except for maybe the Diamondbacks, but Allen Ginter and Diamondbacks don't really go together. All right, so let's go. And I'll do a quick rundown at the end, too, with the cards I pulled and cased up. And, oh, man, Chargers, feeling good. Marquise Brown, Baltimore. Jordy Nelson for the Green Bay Packers. Nice card, Packers. Charles Woodson for the Raiders. Carlos Hyde. It's weird seeing him for the Texans. I will seal that up, but I want to get to the back here. Old school Julius Peppers for the Jags. And NFL debut, Justin Herbert. San Diego's Knight. Pulling everything they need or wanted. All you could have hoped for more than that is a hollow. Or not a hollow, or a prism. I think the base rookies are just more classic to have. All right. Come on, Cincinnati, Miami. Ones we want. Last pack. First one, Julius Peppers for the Panthers. Dwight Freeney for the Colts. Brian Dawkins for the Eagles. Devontae Parker for the Dolphins. Ooh, Prism Touchdown Masters, Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. That looks special. Doesn't look normal. And Justin Jefferson, rookie for the Minnesota Vikings. No, that Larry Fitzgerald's normal. It's not numbered or anything. And then nice hit Vikings too, huh? All right, we got one more pink pack left. And I wasn't going to say their names, but hopefully there's a Burrow and a Tua in there for you guys. All right, last pack. Last pack luck. Ooh. We have Mark Burnell for the Jaguars. Darius Slayton for the Giants. And Brandon Ayuk for the San Francisco 49ers. Nice hit for the Niners. So we did not hit the Burrow or the Tua, but overall, man, out of 120 cards we opened, we got some pretty solid stuff. So just to go over these real quick, got the Brandon Ayuk, Darius Slayton, Mark Burnell. These ones I sleeved. The Aikman, Staubach, Old School, Drew Lock, Marino, Moss, Touchdown Masters, Eddie George, Cam Chancellor, Aaron Jones here, Jerome Bettis, Jake Fromm. All right, now let's get into our hits. These are going to be in no particular order, guys. Oops, sorry. I'm breaking my stuff down. This one. Oh, shoot. There. Gosh. What a break, guys. All right, so quick rundown of the sealed cards. I will be sealing more of them for you guys, but we got the only hollow, I think. I'll look into it later, but Barry Sanders hollow, Hall of Fame. James Morgan, rookie for the Jets, pink hollow, or pink mosaic prism. Jacob Eason for the Colts. Tom Brady, touchdown masters for the Buccaneers. Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. Kyler Murray, nice hit for the Cardinals. Nice base rookie there. Or not base rookie. Sorry. I was looking at the back card. Devin Duvernay for the Baltimore Ravens. Nice hit there. Then Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. Got Aaron Rodgers, got game. Brian Urlacher, because I love him. Hall of Fame. And then the Devin Duvernay for the Ravens pink as well. I didn't even put 2 and 2 together. I'm sure you did, Ravens owners, but you got both of them. Larry Fitzgerald, Prism touchdown masters. Gabriel Davis, rookie for the Bills. Jalen Hurts, debut. Henry Ruggs, rookie for the Raiders. Tre'Davious White, green prism. Marcus Mariota. Delvin Cook for the Vikings. Jacob Eason, rookie for the Colts. Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. A NFL debut, Justin Herbert. Nice card. Jerry Judy for the Denver Broncos, rookie, pink. The Ed Reed, old school. Jonathan Taylor, NFL debut, pink. That one's got to be last. All right, the Justin Herbert base, which probably should have been about last, but nice hit there. Sharp card. Our Patrick Mahomes, pink MVPs, can only get out of these packs. Nice hit, Chiefs. Kenneth Murray for the Chargers. Great hit again for the Chargers. The Mahomes touchdowns. Touchdown masters for the Chiefs. It's just the regular, but looks sharp. Should grade really well. KJ Hamler for the Denver Broncos. Lamar Jackson prism right here for the Ravens. And the hit. Jalen Hurts. This could be worth millions someday. Millions. Congratulations, Eagles. It's a nice card. Guys, thank you for joining the break. I will seal these all really nice. Everything will be at least in a sleeve, but thank you for joining us, and I look forward to breaking for you again. Have a good night, guys.